Are you looking for a smartwatch that combines premium design, powerful performance, and advanced health tracking? The Huawei Watch 5 is built to deliver smart health insights, reliable fitness monitoring, and a refined everyday experience. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Huawei Watch 5's key features and see how it performs in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch 5. Charging cradle, including the charging cable. And quick start guide. Want to grab the Huawei Watch 5 for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. First ever smartwatch supporting real-time, continuous fingertip SpO2 measurement. Just tap the Huawei X-Tap sensor to get an accurate blood oxygen reading in 10 seconds. It is powered by a robust signal that taps into the rich vascular networks at your fingertips. Take charge touch-free with intuitive smart gestures, powered by a high-performance NPU. First for Huawei wearables. Make calls without your phone, thanks to robust eSIM services. Stay connected throughout the day with powerful Wi-Fi, which offers up to double the internet access speeds. Embrace your athletic potential with 100+ workout modes to choose from, including 14 pro-level sports like golf and freediving, and track every move in real time with unparalleled accuracy. Go with standard mode for access to all your favorite features, or squeeze more out of your watch with battery saver mode. You can effortlessly switch between these two modes in just seconds, adapting to your daily needs on a whim, and powering through your days with ease. Stay connected, track your fitness goals, and get real-time notifications all with Huawei Watch 5, which is compatible with both iOS and Android. Specifications. How to charge. Place the Huawei Watch 5 on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back is aligned correctly, and connect the dock to a power adapter. The watch will automatically start charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to pair. Download the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Huawei Watch 5 and press and hold the power button until the Huawei logo appears. Once the watch powers on, allow it a few moments to complete the startup process before continuing with the setup. Open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When the Huawei Watch 5 appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code shown on both devices. Agree to the required terms, then wait while the watch syncs and completes the setup process. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Huawei Health app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperature. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Huawei Watch 5. See you in the next one.